Donald Trump is the first former president to be criminally charged in federal court.
WESH 2's Stuart Moore was at the courthouse all day today and is breaking down the 37 charges Trump is facing.
Former President Trump spent about 2 hours inside of the courthouse this afternoon as he heard those 37 charges against him. But outside, there were hundreds of supporters and anti-Trump protesters who were making their voices heard. And we have pictures from the courtroom showing the former president at his hearing earlier today, pleading not guilty to 37 charges related to classified documents found at his Mar-a-Lago home. Those in the courtroom say that he sat silently with his hands crossed during that hearing as his lawyer entered that plea. Prosecutors did not ask the judge for any travel restrictions against the former president as this case continues to play out. Meanwhile, the 37 charges that he is facing, 31 counts of willful retention of classified documents, 1 count of conspiracy to obstruct justice, 1 count of withholding a document or record, 1 count of corruptly concealing a document or record, and 1 count of concealing a document in a federal investigation, 1 count of scheming to conceal, and 1 count of making a false statement and representation. Now, at least 4 of those charges carry a maximum penalty of up to 20 years in prison. Meantime, former President Trump's supporters were out here en masse speaking about all of these charges, and they say that they are politically motivated.
The decision to pursue charges against President Trump while turning a blind eye to others is emblematic of the corruption that we have here.
This is just day 1 of these federal hearing. This is going to continue for up to a year before they can finally get to trial. Of course, WESH 2 will follow it every step of the way. Reporting in Miami, Stuart Moore, WESH 2 News.